Hey guys and gals, I hope you're having a wonderful day. I certainly am. I just got off work and I am now having some fun. I found this little pool of water that's related to this lake right there. Got it. Perch. Whoops. We got ourselves a fish. Thank you, gorgeous. Thank you for playing. Little shit. I'm sorry. That wasn't so gentle, was it? Alright, we are on the board. Whoops. There's fish in here. Oh. Missed it. Come on, you can eat it. Oh, I think I see something chasing it. Got it. Hi there. You're looking beautiful today. You can't swim in my hands. Thank you. On the gold trout magnets. Is there a big one in here? Oh. There's a nibble. Oh my god. Nearly pulled my rod down, but somehow you didn't get a hook in you. It's connected to a lake, as you can see. But it seems like those fish are... It might be too shallow for them to. There's one. I love how dark they are. Beautiful. Thank you, Mr. Perch. So I have the ultralight today. Ultralight drop shot, 1/8 ounce. Trout magnet, of course, on a number 10 hook, I believe. Okuma Celilo 6.6 ultralight, 6-pound braid, 4-pound copolymer leader with a Okuma Seimar C10. I remember when your head caught flame. It's drop shot season anyway. Tiny power bait mayfly. So I just switched to this mayfly from Berkeley. Let's see if we can get those smaller fish, or maybe trick some bigger ones. They don't want to commit. We're gonna give them a couple of minutes. Ooh, that's a good one. Not a big one, but it's been very slow for the last few minutes. So any fish of any size is pretty cool. Just let me show you to the camera. Thank you. We'll catch one last fish. That would be a reasonable goal. One more bite and I'm leaving, guys. Promise. Alright, one last cast. Well, I caught some fish. I can sleep well tonight. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you soon.